Hello, children. Let's try to look at this question from polynomials. It's competency based. The question looks a little difficult and complicated, but it is not that tough. Let's just try to understand first what is being asked. See, you can observe that two parabolas are given here, hx and gx. Okay, the question is saying that if you divide the polynomial for which these parabolas are by x minus 3, which one will give the greater remainder? Oh my God, that looks complex. So let's see. If you look at the remainder theorem, if you remember the remainder theorem, before that, we need to identify what was the polynomial. So let's say the polynomial, because the roots are minus 2 and plus 2. So clearly the polynomial will be x minus 2 into x plus 2. But I can't say gx and hx are both x square minus 4 because definitely they differ. Hx is the one which is red color and going deeper. Gx is the one which is blue in color. So which is like upwards, like as compared to the red one. So what we can say that maybe the polynomial hx is a into something, right? X square minus 4, and let's say gx is b into something x square minus 4, because this makes sense. For the roots, both the polynomials will have the same roots but different dip, because this a and b factors, the a and b coefficients, which are getting multiplied ahead. So let's just see. I've just tried to create a situation of three parabolas here, x square minus 4, 2 into x square minus 4, and 3 into x square minus 4. So you can observe that the three parabolas have the different dip, and the one which has the highest coefficient, highest number in front, is the deepest. Okay, so let's say instead of this a and b, you would be knowing what the numbers were there. So if the parabola was x square minus 4, and now we have to divide by x minus 3 and get the remainders. That's what the question says. These parabolas need to get divided. So let's just try to understand if x square minus 4, if it is getting divided by x minus 3. So using the remainder theorem, what would be the remainder? I just have to substitute x as 3 in x square minus 4. So that will be 9 square minus 4. So 1 into 5. However, if the polynomial was 2 into x square minus 4, on the same basis, the remainder would have been 10. Or if the polynomial was 3 into x square minus 4, remainder would have been 15. So of course, I don't know what is a and b here, but there is definitely one thing which I can make here. More steeper the graph, more the remainder. More steeper the graph, more the remainder, because this value in front keeps on increasing. So now the question is like very simple. This concept, if we know, we can apply it in so many things. So now going back to the question. So hx is more steeper. That means hx is going to yield a bigger remainder. So that means basically this value of a would have been more, right? So like now the question says that when hx is divided by x minus 3, it leaves a remainder k. So if hx is leading the remainder k, that means gx is leaving a lesser remainder, which is being left by hx. So we will say that it will be less than k, option 1. I hope it is clear. Thank you so much, children.